Songbirds, have you always wanted to learn how to sing or to improve your voice, but just have no idea where to start and how to go about it? Well, I've got your back. Today, I'm going to give you the ultimate guide on how to sing with 5 easy steps to follow. Now, Songbird, you might be thinking, I don't even know if I can hold a tune. In fact, I think I'm kind of tone deaf. How am I going to ever learn how to sing? Well, I've got your back as well. Go and watch this video here, which is how to sing even if you think you are tone deaf. Start with that video and then come back to this one. All right, let's get on to the 5 steps. Get rid of tension. Now, the exercise to get rid of tension is going to be a ya, but with your tongue semi-stuck out. Let me show you what I mean. So you're going to put the tip of your tongue behind the back of your bottom front teeth like this. Right? And then you're going to sing ya. But every time you sing ya, you are going to kind of push your tongue out, but keeping the tip of the tongue just glued to the back of the bottom front teeth. Like this. Ya. I know it sounds really ridiculous, and that's okay, all right? Because this action there is basically stretching out the base of your tongue, enabling any tension that builds up there to be gotten rid of. Because when you have tension in your tongue, it can really affect your vocal tone. It can make you sound strained and basically not the way that you want to sound. The other thing that this exercise does is because we're singing a ya sound, it's actually making you drop your jaw. So when you do that, then you're also getting rid of jaw tension. So when we get rid of jaw and tongue tension, we are on the way to singing in a much better way and learning how to sing. So this is ya with the tongue behind the back of the bottom front teeth on a major triad. Let's go. La 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 la. 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 Yeah. I know you're laughing at me. Now, Songbird, if you're loving this video so far, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell. Then you will never miss a video that I drop, and you'll help other songbirds like you find this video and learn to sing as well. Build resonance. In order to learn how to sing and to improve your voice, you really need to learn how to sing with resonance. Now, resonance is that beautiful, buzzing, free feeling that you feel when you sing in the shower and your voice is literally bouncing off the hard surfaces, the tiles of your shower back into your face. It helps you project your voice and to sing with an effortless way, with greater volume and sort of thickness to your tone, but without you pushing, okay? So this is key to learning how to sing. The exercise we're going to do is an ng. So say for me together, as in sing, right? NG. And when you do that, the back of your tongue should really come up to touch the roof of your mouth. If that's happening, then you are doing this amazingly well. And then we're going to follow that with an E. And E is the brightest vowel, so it's going to really help you develop that beautiful forward resonance that we are looking for when we want to sound our best. Here is an ng on a descending 5 notes, like this. Amazing work. Now, if you want to access the full extended version of all of these exercises that we're covering today, tailored to male and female voice, you can get free access to that now by taking the 7-day free trial of the Songbird Tree Vocal Academy. Just click on the link below to check it out. Build a free chest voice. Often when we're singing in our chest voice, we can tend to overdo it and pull up chest voice and get really strainy, like, da, 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 like that, get louder and more strainier. But that is not the way you want to do it if you want to learn how to sing well, right? So we're going to build a free chest voice. Here is an exercise to help you do that. It is going to be a mom descending triad, and it goes like this. Mom, 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 mom. Fantastic. Build a strong head voice.
So when we're singing in our higher notes and we're using our head voice range, we don't really want it to be, breathy and strained, right? We want it to be, or we at least want to be able to make the choice to sing it in a clear, resonant-free manner. Here is an exercise. It's the hoo hoo on a descending major triad. It goes like this. Hoo hoo hoo. Amazing. Connect and mix your voice. So, we want to be able to learn to sing in such a way where when we're moving from our lower ranges all the way to our high ranges and our higher ranges back down to our lower ranges, that it all sort of feels like it's really connected and kind of like seamlessly one voice, right? This is called mixing your voice. The exercise is a goog goog on an arpeggio. Goog 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 goog. Goog 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 goog. Now, if you want the full extended version of these exercises tailored towards female and male range, and also complete access to my whole vocal academy, that means all of my online singing courses, all of my webinars, all of my masterclasses, all of my tutorials, for free, go and take your 7-day free trial of the Songbird Tree Vocal Academy right now. Just click the link below. Now, if you want another comprehensive guide on how to sing, why don't you take my 7-day challenge here, Sing Better in 7 Days Vocal Transformation Challenge. Click on that playlist there and just go through all 7 videos. You are absolutely going to learn so much about how to sing. Songbird, I am always believing in you, so why don't you get out there, get grounded, take flight and sing.